hope you're all doing well. There's a storm outside right now. It's raining and there's thunder and wind. So I thought it would be the perfect time to read Stormy Night by Salina Yoon. Remember, Salina Yoon is both the author and the illustrator. So that means that she wrote the book and she drew the pictures. Stormy Night. And here's the dedication page. It says, "For Nicole and Jason, love will keep you safe from the storm." One stormy night, Bear couldn't sleep. You can see the wind coming in the window here. The wind was whirring, the trees were crackling, and the rain was pounding against the windows. Sounds like it's really loud outside. And I just made a connection. Remember the bunny from the book Found by Salina Yoon, when the bear found the bunny? It's my connection. "Don't worry," said Bear. "I'll hold you tight. I'll keep you warm, and my love will keep you safe from the storm." There's Bear talking to his bunny. He sang to his bunny, Floppy. Bear felt better. But when a thundering sound rumbled through the forest, it startled Bear. Startled is another word for afraid. It scared him. He sang his song again. Here he is singing to Bunny. Mama came in to check on Bear. "May I stay with you tonight? I am so frightened by the storm." Bear was glad to see Mama. He kissed Mama's nose to comfort her, and Mama smiled. Bear felt better. Then Papa came in to check on Bear. "Is there room for me? The storm is so loud tonight." Sometimes storms can be scary because there's thunder and lightning and the wind and rain get really loud. Sometimes I get scared of thunder. Bear was glad to see Papa. He tickled Papa's ear to comfort him. Remember, Salina Yoon uses these little lines to show who's talking. Bear says, "Papa." Papa laughed, and Bear felt better. But what will make Floppy feel better, thought Bear. I know. A book. This is a very good book. Bear almost forgot about the storm until I see all capital letters. It looks like this is showing something really loud. It says, "Boom!" A loud, crashing sound of thunder roared through the forest. Remember, authors sometimes use all capital letters to show a strong emotion or a really loud sound. Like if someone's yelling or thunder is booming. It's making a really loud sound. Bear shut his eyes tight. Mama kissed his nose, and Papa tickled his ear. Looks like he's starting to feel better. Mama sang to Bear just like she did when he was a little cub. "We'll hold you tight, we'll keep you warm, our love will keep you safe from the storm." And Bear felt better. Bear yawned a sleepy yawn, and then it was quiet. What happened to the storm? "Even storms need their sleep," said Papa. It looks like the storm is past. And so do bears. Here are all of our bears asleep. The end. Let's look at the front cover from the beginning. Remember, the storm was happening. Then if you go all the way to the end, the inside cover shows you a nice, peaceful night. So I want you guys to think about how you feel when there's a storm and things that you can do to make you feel better. So try writing a sentence about that. Think about how Bear felt and what he did to make himself feel better. He was really scared at first, but he sang to Floppy, his bunny. That made him feel better. And he snuggled with his family. That made him feel better. And then the storm passed.